Good morning everyone. Parents, in this video I will explain about daily learning binder. This is only for oral purpose. Requesting you to take a new notebook and please note down whatever I show you now. Parents, main concern about this daily binder is a child should be able to read. A child should have practice of reading in a daily basis. So let's start off. See, in this first page, I wrote about personal details. You please fill all the details. Write like this and please fill all the details. So daily, once when you open this book, a child should be able to identify name. They should tell their name, nickname, age, father's name, mother's name, address, phone number of anyone, like you see, like anyone, like mother's number or father's number, whoever is at home, any guardian number. Let them learn any one phone number at least, and the school's name, city which they are living in, their country name. So this is the basic personal details information. Next page is about me, their self introduction, which they have already learned. So my name is, they should be able to read. Main concern is reading. So initially it takes some time. Go for 1 page per day, but make sure they practice reading. I am a girl, okay, or boy. I am 5 years old. I am from India. I live in Hyderabad. My mother's name is. My father's name is. I am a happy and friendly girl or boy. And next page I wrote alphabet, okay, small letter, big letter and small letter together. This is for daily practice, oral practice. They need to read, they need to identify, they need to read with their phonic sound. Okay parents. Now next is numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, 1 to 100 numbers, oral practice. And here days of week. I used sketch pens so that it looks colorful for them. Okay, days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If we just tell them to read like this, they might not show that interest. So we can give them in a rhyme kind of thing. Say, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this is how you can teach them. Months of year. Again like a rhyme. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this is how you can give any tune in which they show interest. Next is planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And next is fruits. They should be able to read fruits. See, as soon as they see A, at least they will try to guess apple. Okay, in some cases you can also tell them to read with phonic. So on daily routine basis, when they are reading the particular page, going further after few days, at least as soon as they see the word, they will try to identify what is it and they will pronounce it. Now initially they might find difficult, so you can take 3 names per day, 3 names, okay, then slowly you increase. Next is vegetables. Okay, here I added few vegetables which they see daily in house also. So it will be very easy for them to identify. If it is tomato, they'll be able to tell at least if we give small hints to them. Next one is wild animals. I noted down few wild animals here. And next is farm animals. Parts of body. Okay parents, see it hardly took like 1.5 hours or 2 hours, in between if we take breaks and write. If at all you really find difficult to write, I will send you the pics. You can take out printouts and make a file. And now means of transportation. So these are all basic things. Okay, they should be able to tell orally. And next is flowers. Now colors. Next birds. And next I wrote sight words. So these are around like 30 plus, I think it's 37 words. Okay, so daily you can make them practice at least 2 words. So first day if they learnt like, let them practice for some time. Okay, these 2 words. So next day when you are moving to the next 2 words, make sure you practice first these 2, revise these 2 words, then introduce next 2 words. So this is how daily you can increase 2 words. And next comes CVC words. CVC words are nothing but all the 3-letter words they have been practicing. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, CVC words. So here I mentioned in a group. If it is at, okay, b, at, bat, k, at, cat, h, at, hat, m, at, mat, r, at, rat, f, at, fat. So this is how all the words which they already practiced I mentioned again here. This is for oral practice. I am telling again and again, make sure child reads daily at least once. It hardly takes 30 minutes for this oral part. Okay parents, I will send pics also, don't worry. If you really don't have time, please at least take printouts and make a file of it. And going further, we can add more information according to the curriculum. So as of now, this is what I have noted. Okay parents, I guess it's helpful for you also. And I did not add any pictures because once a child will see the picture, they will immediately tell. But our main concern is they should also be able to identify the word and they should be able to read the word. If always we are associating with the picture, they will not concentrate on the word. So make sure at least one page, initially start off at least with one page. So as the days are passing, you kindly go on increasing the pages. So after few days, I guess per day you can do at least 5 pages, 6 pages, so that reading becomes a habit for them. Okay parents, bye. Take care.